Friends, ever wish testing your apps could basically run itself while you focus on building features, writing endless lines of code, managing frameworks, and keeping scenarios updated can take forever? But I've got a solution for you. I'm Daniel. Welcome to my channel where I make smart tutorials. Today we're diving into KaneAI, a GenAI native agent built for end-to-end testing. Designed for modern QA teams, it handles complex workflows with speed and flexibility that traditional no-code tools just can't match. It works across web, mobile, and APIs, turning natural language descriptions into executable tests that adapt automatically when the interface changes. In this video, I'll show KaneAI in action, from generating tests to exporting production-ready code and fitting seamlessly into existing workflows. Also, I've left all the useful links in the description down below, so don't forget to check them out. Let's jump right in. Alright guys, today we're diving into a tool that's basically changing the game for software quality control. We're talking about KaneAI, a generative AI agent made for end-to-end testing. What's more, it works beyond websites and browsers. KaneAI can test mobile apps and mobile sites too, giving you full coverage across your entire tech stack. Folks, here's the cool part. It has this scenario generation mode. You just switch to that, upload your documentation or tickets, or any format file from your source system, and describe your business logic in simple terms. The tool will analyze everything and even suggest a structure for your cases, giving you a roadmap on how to start running them. Friends, let's see KaneAI in action. First, head over to the main dashboard and switch to the agent mode. In this mode, all you have to do is type a command, telling it to go to the site, find something, and test it. Seriously, it feels like you're testing together with a colleague in chat. And you can create tests for all sorts of apps and platforms. It's super flexible. Now let's check out the generative scenario strategy. Basically, you can have KaneAI generate a full scenario for you. For example, I'll ask it to check my blog in a desktop browser. Guys, we send it off, and boom, the playground launches. I just typed a simple prompt, and the platform automatically breaks it down into logical steps. It figured out the first step is opening the link, the second is finding text in the footer, and the third is entering data. I didn't have to touch a single line of code for each step. On the right, you have got a virtual browser in the playground, where all these actions happen. I hit approve, and the agent just gets to work. Friends, it goes to my blog and interacts with the interface just like a real user. It scrolls down the page and finds the email field. Then it enters the address I gave it and even hits submit. And here's the really cool part. Imagine the developers updated the site and changed the submit button's code. Normally, in a traditional automated test, that would throw an error, and you'd have to rewrite everything. But KaneAI has auto-healing technology. Folks, it understands the intent, so it searches for the actual submit button, not just some piece of code. Even if the design or ID changes, it finds the button, which basically saves you hours of frustrating maintenance. If something goes wrong or the system behaves unexpectedly, you can switch to manual interaction mode to guide it yourself. You might scroll down manually or fill in a field. The system shows everything happening in real time. Page reloads, scrolling, all of it while keeping forms filled and submitted correctly. Mates, when you exit manual interaction, everything you did gets recorded as new steps. You can save it. I just typed one sentence about subscribing to a newsletter, and KaneAI turned it into a full technical scenario. It added all the precise commands for scrolling, typing, and clicking. This turned a simple idea into a fully detailed, actionable test. Now, here's something developers will really like. You can switch to the Code tab. Unlike many no-code tools that trap you inside their platform, this tool lets you export your scenarios to frameworks like Selenium, Playwright, and Cypress. Mates, right now it's generating the validation code. Here's test.py, converted into a Selenium file. You can either download it or hit execute, and it will run the entire scenario automatically, every single step included. Press Setup Runtime to handle pre-configuration, then use Discovery to open logs and see exactly what the agent did. The system also generates the full set of scenarios automatically. Guys, let me take a little break to ask you to like this video and subscribe to my channel. It's absolutely free, but helps me make even more fun tutorials for you. Thanks! Folks, the version history tab automatically saves previous versions whenever you make changes. This lets you roll back easily if something goes wrong. The Issues tab highlights the auto-bug detection feature. If the agent spots an error on your site while generating a test, it creates a bug report automatically. You can even integrate this with Jira or Azure DevOps and send issues straight to those systems. Folks, so far we've created a test manually. Switching to Generate Scenarios mode allows you to work directly from technical documentation, even if the code isn't ready yet. Mates, I've uploaded a PRD file from my device, though you could also connect directly to Jira or Azure DevOps to pull information. This PRD describes a new HR platform's onboarding flow, including user stories, business logic, and key data flows. Instead of manually transferring this into a plan, I give a simple command. It asks the system to analyze the onboarding flow and generate different scenarios. KaneAI reads the document and identifies all sections. It maps out the HR manager Sarah and her tasks, understands the assignment logic, and generates a full list of test cases automatically. The platform builds the structure before you write a single line of code, letting the QA team work alongside development instead of waiting until later. Right away, you can see it created 25 cases. Now, before we automate everything, let me quickly highlight something important. The system analyzed our file and built this entire structure on its own, but AI is here to assist you, not to replace your judgment. This is where the idea of human in the loop really matters. Mates, you stay fully in control of what gets tested. For example, if I don't like how a certain step was generated, or if I want to change the test data, I simply click Edit Step. From here, I can rewrite the step completely, adjust the inputs, refine the logic, or move between different steps and tweak them however I need. Nothing is locked, folks. You can reshape the entire scenario before running it. So instead of blindly relying on automation, you collaborate with it. The AI builds the foundation, and you refine the details. That balance between speed and control is what makes Kane so powerful. Guys, just click Create and Automate. Pick your platform, desktop browser, mobile browser, or mobile app, and even choose specific ones if you want. The tool then runs those cases automatically, and you can watch the session live to see exactly what's happening. But KaneAI isn't just about clicking buttons. It also has professional-grade features. It can handle API testing, checking not only what users see, but also how the server manages data. It understands API contracts and even generates validations on its own. You can connect it to your database, so they run with live data in real time. Next, two-factor authentication, usually a headache in automated testing, is fully supported. The instrument can generate TOTP access codes on the fly and check secure areas of your product. Friends, on top of that, it integrates with tools like Trello, Asana, and GitHub, so you can keep everything within your existing workflow. Overall, KaneAI removes the gap between having an idea and actually executing it. Alright, my friends, let's wrap this up with some final thoughts. KaneAI is a game-changer for software testing. Beginners can create full end-to-end tests without writing code, while advanced users can export ready-to-run scripts for tools like Selenium or Playwright. Its auto-healing API testing, TOTP support, and scenario generation make it a complete tool for modern QA workflows. It's fast, flexible, and really helps teams save time while keeping tests accurate and reliable. If you're excited to try it out, or if you already used it and have some thoughts to share, drop a comment below. I'd love to hear your experiences. Don't forget to hit that like button if you found this video helpful, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, until next time.